Small ideas will keep you small. You have to fight for the best possible version of this idea.
If we're going to make progress, you've got to have courage. And courage comes when it's not convenient.
Unshakable integrity is doing the right thing behind closed doors when nobody is watching, when it hurts, when it's hard, and it costs you something.
You all have to get yourselves in order to serve our communities so that we can make sure they can get past culture, policy, and economics.
They should be judging you on whether or not you have put together a plan that aligns the investments and products with the lifestyle they want to lead.
There is a psychological shift in thinking when it comes to deaccumulation, and we as advisors have to help them with that.
What would you say to a sponsor who supported students coming to CAAFP?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Truly, thank you, because it's been an awesome experience.